Hi everyone, my name is Natalia Gomez from the Customer Attention team of SolyVillas, and today I'm going to explain you how to make a booking on the SolyVillas website. You need to search on Google solyvillas.com. To access it, you must use the following credentials. Once you log in with your credentials, the main page will open, where you can establish the search criteria. You must select the desired dates, the location, the number of adults and children. Then click on Search, and a selection of available accommodation will be displayed. When you find the accommodation where you want to make the booking, you must click on the Book button. In this section, all the details of the reservation will appear, including information about the property and the price breakdown. In the application of discounts, we can find two different situations. The first one is the standard discount coupon, applicable by entering the code GOLF 2025 in the corresponding file. This discount will be automatically applied to the total of the reservation. The second situation is an automatic higher value discount. For some longer reservation or for certain properties, a discount greater than 10% may be automatically applied. In these cases, the coupon GOLF 2025 will not be necessary, as the system will apply the higher discount automatically. If you continue scrolling down, in this section, you must enter your agency's details. Then you need to click on the I want to book for another person button, after which a new tab will open. In this section, you must complete the customer's information, which is essential so that we can contact them and organize the arrival process. The selected payment method must be bank transfer. It is important to know that this transfer must be made at least 30 days before the customer's arrival date. Regarding the cancellation policy, the reservation can be cancelled completely free of charge before the 30-day period for making the transfer ends. Thank you very much for your attention, and you can contact us if you need more information.